My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2021 Peugeot e208. This vehicle has done just over 28,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a fully electric motor. To the left of our steering wheel, we have voice control and cruise control as features. We also have automatic wipers and automatic headlights. On our screen we can access our radio, climate control, navigation, our vehicle settings and driving functions, smartphone integration, Apple and Android CarPlay, and our flow, statistics and charge. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with parking sensors. As we go to the back of the vehicle, we can see that all of our seats have a black leather trim. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.